All right, my beautiful people, welcome back to another exciting one. So today we want to see how to add static column. So I'm going to go up again by picking, the let's see if we can pick the Titanic data frame. So I just want to pick something in there. Scroll down. Let me just paste it and let me run this code. You can see I think I have lots in there. So, but I would like to see the last, which is the home.dataset. I just want to add something to the Titanic. Yeah, which is I need to figure out how to add through the column, and from the column I want to add I want to give a column a name and I want to add something. Yeah, right, let me just put it in there. I'm gonna say, you know what, I need to add a column. I want to call that column area, and that area I want to give it static. So the moment I do that, let's see if we can run Titanic, and let's see. You can see area and static is already showing at the last angle. So this is one way to add static column to your data set. You can see that thing that I put inside is the name of the column, and that thing you see inside is the value that is contained. So whatever you're seeing inside the square bracket is the name, and whatever you're seeing outside the equals to is the value. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm just going to create something. What if you just want it to be more dynamic? You want to be able to, you don't want it to be like the last angle. You want to select a location and you want to give it a name. Yeah, so what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to copy another. This is interesting. I'm trying to break this thing down for you, because whenever you get, anytime you are really analyzing data, or you are working on machine learning applications in the future, because so many data scientists eventually found joy in building machine learning models and stuff like that, you might decide to transit into machine learning in the future, or deep learning, or maybe artificial intelligence, something like that. You need to understand how all of this thing works. Don't cram it, just understand it works. If you're able to write and run the codes, trust me, you're good. So what I'm going to do is that I just want to pick maybe country, and I just want to scroll down, and here I will use a concept called insert. So this is another way. So what this thing will do for us is that it's going to dot insert. If you're using insert, that means you want to insert a column. If you're inserting a column, you have three parameters, that three things you have to put inside the open and close square bracket. If you put 0, that means you're starting from, for instance, let me just first of all call this. You notice that we have country, we have region, we have stuff like, let's say for instance we want to create something at the beginning. The beginning of everything in programming language is called index, which normally start from 0. It doesn't start from 1. So imagine if I want to call this, and I want to say I want to insert. I'm going to explain to you insert, and I'm saying when I'm inserting, what I want you to do for me is that I want you to start from the first column, which is index, and I want you to give it a column name, which is count. I just want to give you something that is county count. I'm just trying to give you something that at least when you see, you're going to know that you're the one that create this county count. Yeah, and I want to give it Rio de Janeiro. I'm just trying to give you something that is going to be funny, and you will love to see. So are you going to see Rio de Janeiro and county count in here at the first column? So what this thing really means is that I want you to give it a column name 0, and I want you to give it Rio de Janeiro. Well, anyways, let's just run it. Enough of talk. So what we're going to do is that if you are now calling this again, let's see what's going to give you. If you're calling this again, let's see what's going to give you. You will see that this county count is after this index, we're able to see it as the first one, county count, and then all of the information that you're saying inside this place is Rio de Janeiro. All right, so that's it. So that is how to insert based on parameters, based on logic. Like you're trying to look at locations through which you want to put by entire column. You can try to put it after ladder, you can try to put it after social. You just have to count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Instead, this is going to be 6. So, and it's going to be next to lower whisker. All right, so that's it. So I don't want to give you an idea of so many style of inserting, I just want to show you how to create cool stuff, and this is where I'm actually going to stop for now. So in the next tutorial, we're going to see how to create a new dynamic column, and this is going to be amazing. And until then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.